Hey y'all, our trip is we're on the return trip now. Just topped off on the gas. 4 degrees, 3 degrees outside. The guy's name was John. Pretty cool guy. His kid races karts. Runs 2 4-cycle CIK sprint classes. They got him a new kart and an X30, so he can run some tag stuff along with his 4-stroke stuff. So the dad doesn't race, the son does, and that's pretty cool. Met the wife, didn't get her name, but she's out working from home on a computer. It's cool, man. They kind of like us. 10 miles straight off the highway, and then on the road you get off on. A little bit different than us, but surrounded by what looked to be 150 acres of farmland corn. He doesn't own that, but still pretty cool. He's got a nice outbuilding, attached garage for karts. He's got a new kart right in the house. Brought me in the house to show it to me and everything. So thanks to John. I don't know how to pronounce his last name, so I'm not even going to try. We got a good deal. We got a it's a CRG. I'm going to guess it's some kind of Road Rebel, an old Road Rebel or something. It's not as old as our Rendspeed because the Nerf bars were still attached to the side. The way we're updating or modifying the Rendspeed now, they weren't attached up the front axle. So it's got to be post 2000. I'm going to say early, between 2000 and 2002. Like I said, the bottom of the kart is in fantastic condition. For being as old as it is, you would have thought it would have been ground flat. It's in really, really good shape. So it's going to be an awesome donor for what we're doing. We're going to put Joe Wallace's spindles, brakes, hubs, the master cylinders, the whole setup on it, because it was an 80cc shifter. It didn't have front brakes. They were sprint racing it. We're going to road race it, change some things up. Everything else is there. Fuel tank, steering, pedals, linkage, everything is there. Shift linkage, shift lever. The only thing that rear axle, 40mm axle. It's got gears, sprockets, I should say. It came with an 80cc CR80 or 85, whatever. We don't know what year it is, so we don't know what we're going to do with it just yet. There's no reed cage in it. There was no rubber intake isolator and no carburetor. So, but the rest of the motor's all there. It turns over, you know, it rolled over. The cylinder was off. The cylinder's in good shape. It's not blown up. Came with an RCE pipe, a red RCE silencer, RCE titanium silencer, another full set, 4 more CRG hubs. I even threw in some, I think, 2 or 3 wheels. It had a seat in it, like I said, fuel tank on it, front and rear bumpers, no Nerfs, but everything else is there. You know, so we've got some good stuff to sell as parts and pieces to make a few bucks. Good deal. We got a great deal on this thing. I mean, a great deal on this thing. So we're really looking forward to getting it home, get it on the rolling stand next to the kart we're working on, and just start swapping parts. I mean, we ain't going to do anything about painting or cleaning, fixing that thing up. The frame looks like it's in pretty good shape. I think just with some degreaser on a clean rag, we just wipe the chassis down and go with it, you know. So heading back home. We're almost to Fort Wayne. From there, we're probably 4 hours back to the house. So just enjoying the ride. We're on cruise control, having a good time, running down the road, heading north in 4-degree weather. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. We bought another go-kart.